Hello, we are in the International Exposition of New Ways of Transportation in the World. Its exposition is not only to show the new ways of design of the cars, it also shows how ecological they are and how it helps the planet.
Mr. Franzen, during the financial crisis, is for shipping companies the timing to invest in friendly environmental solutions?
These successful companies.
Well, we always say that, of course, the financial crisis is a very difficult one. And of course, we know very well that a lot of shipping companies, they have difficulties. And not only from a financial perspective, as we know a lot of ship types, they have low charter rates, low freight rates. So it's very difficult.
Now, we are going to center in a company, Future and Ecological Transportation. This company has four missions. We are a company that tries to project new ways of transportation with useful inventions. Our company is looking for the future of our planet. For that reason, we try to mix the technologies with the importance of the environment. As well, this company is project to the future. This company will be the first in the world that combine the technology with the projects to save the planet. Our company also tries to improve the transportation with our foundation Saver that have 5 principal points. And this point focus very well with our vision as a company that generates a better society. The inventions of this company are ecological bubbles. This project is generated towards the future of eco and easy transportation. They are simple bubbles made of material that is hard to break, and enter this material have microchips that allow manipulation of the bubble from the control center that will be arranged to the user at the time of creating the bubble. This is designed to prevent the external elements influence the path of the bubble to the final destination. These bubbles will be designed with elements not harmful for the environment and could be reused, the microchips, only by changing the settings on the destination of the user. This project is one of the most innovative things we have in our company, combining the technological environment and also helps to reduce traffic and pollution generated by common cars. Public air bike suite. This system of monorail with bicycle-type manual power source or power from solar energy. The design shows us a monorail suspended. The means of transportation will be a few tracks to create a very efficient option to get from A to B. Currently have a few projects that swept, based in New Zealand, where you can reach a speed of up to 45 kilometers per hour at your own pace by bike. But when you include the idea of solar power, it could travel up to 80 kilometers per hour. Suite is planned to project as a public use. At the same time, this project been worked from 2010 with Association of Google as part of the project 10 to 100.
The train-based sunlight, a mixture between bullet train, a Concorde, and air hockey type. With those words defines sample creation, Hyperloop. This technological that aims to revolution the trucking. Join us on this trip to the future to 1,100 kilometers per hour star capsules that will lucky to mention travel someday the Hyperloop inside.
We have the first conceptual images that we have posted on the blog of Tesla Motors. The capsules are pressurized and move on a cushion of air intended to reduce friction. According to the designs of future and ecological transportation, each capsule has a capacity of up to 28 passengers. The distribution of seats seeks to optimize the general width of the seat. In the future, also could adapt capsules so transport 3-car size medium. Reactors are for personal transportation. Reactor powers come from a microparticle accelerator, or we see the option of some kind of cold fission. What we thought is that it was a perpetual power reactor, but at the moment we are thinking about creating an arc with a shorter lifetime reactor, since the cost of production is much smaller, which will allow low cost.
Specifically, it's a microparticle accelerator. Your design will push to the shape of the magnets are installed in the middle of the particles, resulting in the creation of energy from the movement of these. Will also be made by recyclable materials that will make it lighter. But the practical arc reactor is that it allows mobility from the body, without the needs of external elements. The only reactor in you. This is a medium-term project since it's planned that is replaced by projects much more sustainable.